Anyway, what's this video about? So I'll show you what it's about. Okay, so you take your receipt and the model number off your Ridgid tool, which is right somewhere's there, that number there. And you go to Home Depot and they make you fill out a work order. Okay, and there's the work order. They put a tag on your receipt and you pay that much money up front. If you can receive it, pay $18.95. Okay, they tag your tool, put a tag on it, and ship it off to get fixed. So this is the reciprocating saw that was making that noise, and when you get it back, they'll have a work order stating exactly what they did. See, it went to the Home Depot there, which is in, what kind of saw it was testing the unit, found that the gear was stripped, and it said in its explanation that they replaced new gear on the unit for repair, and then some more information down here, and zero billing. You know, all the labor here. It's hard to show all this. They called it a this is what they called it right there. They called it a gear assembly, which is just one gear. Planter, no charge, but you have to pay the $18.95 up front. So the one they sent it to was this place here. This is the repair facility, I guess, in Indiana. So we had to put up $18.95 because they don't know if it's under warranty or not. They don't know if you registered it, and then they tag it, and then they send it off, repair it, and then you can test it again. You can see it's back working again. The gear was stripped in here. I don't see any external parts of anything that's been replaced. You know what I'm saying? Nothing there. But it's back working again. That approximately took about a week and a half to 2 weeks for repair. And it's, you know, it is what it is. If you buy a tool, you know, and you register, that's the important part, is you need to put this registration number in to Ridgid when you buy the tool. So kind of expensive, but then on the other side of it, you just take it in. So this is our second one. This was our first one. We have a second one now, so we have a backup, so we're not down a saw. And actually, I like it that way. So I have one here, and my son has one. So that's the update on the warranty with Ridgid power tools. Thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting, and all the above. Wait you in the next video.